Hello student, how are you? Today we will start our first chapter in English grammar. I know that you are not having test book, but don't worry. I will explain you the chapter and then we will do the exercise. I will help you in doing the exercise and give few questions as an assignment. So let's start. We'll start first chapter, that is the sentence. We will study about the sentences, what is sentence and the different type of sentences. So student, what is sentence? A sentence is a group of words arranged in such a form that makes a complete thought. For example, if we say that blue sky is the, it is group of words but they do not make a complete thought. That is, we are not able to interact a complete meaning of the sentence. So the correct form could be the sky is blue. This is correct. Through this sentence, we come to know about the color of the sky. That is, the color of the sky is blue. Second, a sentence should have a subject and verb combination. If there is only subject or only verb, then it is not a complete sentence, because a complete sentence should have subject as well as verb. For example, the match is very exciting. Here in this sentence, there is a combination of subject and verb. That is, here we are talking about the match. So it becomes the subject and is verb. But if we write a sentence like, put the book here. In this sentence, there is only verb, that is put. So in such type of sentences, we have to add subject by ourselves. Like here, I have add you. Now you become the subject, put become the verb, and it becomes a complete sentence. You put the book here. Here I have used you. You can use different sentence. Like you can use he, she put the book here, they put the book here. Like this you can make the sentence. So the third most important thing is the meaning. A complete sentence should have a meaning through which we can understand that what is the sentence trying to say. So students, what is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words which is having the complete thought. It is the combination of the subject and verb, as well as it should have a complete meaning. So here we have done with what is sentence. Now, what are the different type of sentences? Mainly there are 4 types of sentences. First, declarative sentence. Second, interrogative sentence. Third, imperative sentence, and the fourth one is exclamatory sentences. Now we will discuss it one by one. First, declarative sentence. It is also known as assertive sentence. In this, we simply get the information. A declarative sentence that makes a sentence or an assertion. That means when we are saying something, we are telling the information. For example, a dog is man's best friend. Here we are talking about the dog and we are simply giving the information that it is a best friend. So this is a declarative sentence. Likewise, the sandwich is very tasty. Here we are giving the information that the sandwich is tasty. Likewise, she is beautiful girl. So, declarative sentence are those sentences which tell us information. Second one is interrogative sentence. As you have studied in the 6th standard also, interrogative sentences are those sentences that ask a question. Children, you should remember this. Interrogative sentences means a sentence that asks a question. For example, we can say, who are you? Where is my book? How are you? Will you be my friend? So we can say the WH word, interrogative sentence always start with WH word and it always end with a question mark. Remember, it always end with a question mark. Now here one sentence is, how are you? How is not WH word, but it is used in interrogative sentences. Sometimes like, will you be my friend? Here will is not WH word. So sometimes we use the helping verb as interrogative sentence like will, are, does. It start with the sentence like, will you be my friend? Here we are starting with a helping verb, so it becomes an interrogative sentence. Third one is imperative sentence. The sentence that express a request, order, command, advice or instructions is known as imperative sentence. So we can say the imperative sentences give us command or ask for a request. For example, please leave your footwear outside. Here I am requesting you to keep your footwear outside. So I am using the word please. So that means I am requesting you. So this is imperative sentence. Put the key in the drawer. Here I am not requesting you, but I am giving you the command to put the key in the drawer. Like wait for me. So imperative sentence means the sentence that give us command or asks for request, even the order, advice, instruction and so on. The last one is the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence are those sentences that express a strong or sudden feeling such as surprise, joy, anger, etc. That we can say that exclamatory sentences expresses the strong emotion or feeling. For example, that is a huge fish. Then, what a wonderful day. Like this we are having the example. It is necessary to use the exclamatory mark. Mostly it comes at the end of the sentence, but sometime according to the sentence the exclamation mark can be used in between. Like, wow, what a beautiful dress. In this, we have used the exclamation mark after the word wow, because this wow is showing the feeling. Okay, student, understand? So, we are having 4 types of sentences, that is the declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. But in your book, one more type of sentence is given, that is optative. So the sentence that expresses a wish or prayer is called as optative sentences. For example, may you be happy and prosperous. Here somebody is wishing you a prosperous and happy life. Same way, may God help you, may you live a long life. So here now we have studied the fifth one. So we are having the 5 type of sentences, that is declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory and optative. Second part, a sentence. You understand what is sentence. Now a sentence is divided into 2 parts. The first one is the subject and the other one is the predicate. Now what is subject and what is predicate? So student, subject means the part which names the person or thing we are speaking about. That means it is the doer of the sentence. Second one is the predicate, and the predicate means the part which tells something about the subject, what the subject is doing, what the subject is telling, whatever. So it is the part which tells something about the subject. So the sentence is divided into 2 parts, subject and predicate. Now I will give you some examples. The first one, the black cat entered the kitchen. Here we are talking about the black cat, so it becomes the subject and rest of the sentence becomes the predicate. Second one, his elder son is a doctor. Here we are not talking about the son, but we are talking about his elder son. So this whole part of the sentence will becomes the subject and rest is predicate. We can't underline only the subject. Subject is, son is not only the subject, but the subject is his elder son. Third, those naughty boys were punished. Here we are talking about those naughty boys, so it becomes the subject and rest becomes the predicate. More examples. Sam ate a cream cake. Here we are talking about Sam. So Sam becomes the subject and ate a cream cake becomes the predicate. Next, Rajesh plays badminton regularly. Here Rajesh becomes the subject because we are talking about the Rajesh that he plays badminton. So plays badminton regularly becomes the predicate. Children, we are having exercises which you have to do in your notebook. Today we will do only 2 exercises, exercise number 1 and exercise number 2. Here, first exercise, rearrange words to make meaningful sentences. Here words are given but they are not in a proper order to make a meaningful sentence. So we have to arrange this word to make a meaningful sentence. I will do 2 or 3 for you and rest you have to do as a homework. The first one, grew tree house the behind banyan. You are getting any meaning out of this sentence? No. So we have to arrange the word in such a way that we will get a meaningful sentence. So I am arranging in this way. The banyan tree grew behind the house. Second, branches enormous ground the to its hung. So its answer will be its enormous branches hung to the ground. Third, thick the green feet high leaves 60 head tree. Is it having any meaning? No. So we will write the 60 feet high tree had thick green leaves. Now these 3 I have done for you and next 5 you have to do yourself in your English grammar notebook as a homework. Fourth, animal, you can read it out by yourself. Now the second exercise. We have studied today the kinds of sentences. Now I am giving you the sentence and you have to identify which kind of sentence it is. The first, would you please lend me your pen? First of all, this sentence is having question mark. That simply means it is an interrogative sentence. No need to think about it. Second, don't let your child play with a bad child. Here, I am asking you a question. No. I am expressing my feelings? No. But what I am giving you the advice that don't let your child play with the bad child. So I am advising you something. So which type of sentence it is? Imperative sentence. The third one, can you blame him for your misfortune? Again there is a question mark. That simply means it is an interrogative sentence. Now, the fourth one, I do not know where she came from. It is not having an exclamation mark, so no exclamatory sentence. Question mark, no. But it is a simple sentence. It is just giving you the information that I don't know from where she has come. So it becomes a declarative sentences. So in this way, you have to do rest of the sentences as an homework. So you have to do from 5 to 15. In next session, we will do the other exercise, and in that session, I will discuss you the answer of these questions. Children, please concentrate on your studies and please do this homework regularly. Otherwise, your study will affect. So we will meet in few days. So good night, good day. Have a nice day.